Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Sword and Shield on mobile. First, understand that playing Nintendo Switch games on a mobile device requires an emulator. These special applications mimic the Switch's hardware, allowing your phone to run its games. However, this process demands a powerful smartphone with ample processing power and memory for a smooth and enjoyable experience. Next, you'll need the game's ROM file, which is essentially a digital copy of Pokémon Sword or Shield. It's important to note that, legally, you should own the physical game cartridge to obtain and use a ROM. Once you have the ROM file, you'll transfer it to your mobile device's internal storage or an accessible external drive, ready for the emulator to find. After securing your game file, install a reputable Nintendo Switch emulator application on your phone. Once installed, open the emulator and navigate its settings to optimize performance, adjusting graphics and audio as needed. Finally, you can either use the on-screen touch controls or, for a much better experience, connect a Bluetooth controller to your phone and map the buttons. Be aware that performance can vary significantly depending on your phone's specifications. Not all devices will run the game perfectly. To improve your experience, close all unnecessary background applications to free up valuable system resources. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. Enjoy your mobile Pokémon adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.